Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we have the 2024 through 2026 Lexus RX450h Plus. The RX450h Plus brings together Lexus luxury and refinement with plug-in hybrid performance. With regenerative braking working alongside the traditional braking system, smooth response and consistent pedal feel are key to maintaining the driving experience Lexus owners expect. DFC offers complete front and rear brake coverage for this platform, including 5000 series advanced brake pads, GeoSpec coated rotors, and OE-specific hardware kits. The GeoSpec coated rotors deliver consistent braking performance while helping protect against corrosion from moisture, road salt, and changing weather conditions. Paired with DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads, the system provides quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and dependable stopping performance. Front and rear hardware kits help ensure proper fitment and efficient installation for technicians. Together, these components help preserve the smooth, controlled braking response that complements the refined character of the RX450h Plus. DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors simplify inventory while improving efficiency in the service bay. DFC proudly supports the 2024 to 2026 Lexus RX450h Plus with a complete braking solution, including pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, consistency, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.